What's up?
Yo.
We're just gonna take these things out and we're gonna see if it performs in the right way after we put the new transmission in.
Specifically, we're gonna be looking for trans temps. Also, it'll be interesting to see long versus short wheelbase. I mean, my breakover is probably still better even though your tires are bigger.
Yeah, I gotta get rid of that, so, you know.
You might do it on accident today. So
All
we'll head
right,
up to Chappie, do a little loop probably, and then coming back from Chappie, there's a little section kind of out near Whiskey Town. Kind of see how that goes, and bada
all right,
boom, bada boom.
Let's do it. Temp's not bad. It's staying at right below 200 where it's supposed to be.
That's good.
Yeah, not too shabby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Transmission temperature gauge is slightly above the 200 right now, but we have been freaking turning and burning this thing, so it is a little bit expected. We're gonna keep our eye on it though. So we got our first broken tie rod of the channel. Let's take a look here. Broken, huh?
I mean, it's still on there, but I wouldn't.
Ooh. Dang. All right, so we came back to the garage. We're in front of the turd right here, and we're about to take the tie rod off of this and put it on Big D because it broke.
I think there's an argument to be made for having like your tie rod be like a fuse, you know what I mean? Like have your tie rod break rather than something else more serious and more expensive. Yeah. Here's our poor person fix. You know,
This is terrible.
it'll get us there.
It looks bad, man.
It'll get us home.
It looks real bad.
Like I said, like having this kind of as a fuse in the system, how long did that take to get that off?
Not
10
bad.
minutes, tops,
Yeah.
you know? So like, as far as a trail fix goes, this is a lot better than a CV or something like that.
Dang, you even have a beach towel?
You know, if you just never take stuff out of your car, eventually you end up with
Plenty of stuff.
quite a bit of stuff.
Ow! Got the tie rod on. See how she works.
That's pretty steep right there. Easy. My goodness. Like a freaking champ. Oh yeah.
God damn it.
But hey, you know, we did it. Worked out pretty well. What do you mean? It went pretty good. The temps were fine.
Temps were fine.
Temps were fine. Mine tickled like 210, which isn't, you know, great, but it is hot today. So, other than breaking a tie rod, I feel like it went smooth.
You didn't even break it. You bent it.
Same,
You bent it.
Same thing.
It's just a gentle.
Same thing. My tire was getting wobbly.
We need to get you a bumper. Is the main thing.
I know.
It did not look great back there.
This is trash.
Not a day that went as planned, but I got to use the tools in the back of my car that I've been driving around for months.
Yeah, he did do that. Yeah. I feel like we got more rep since we broke something, you know?
Yeah, it's legit.
We got more YouTube.
We had a trail fix today.
Yeah, more YouTube rep,
Yeah.
you know?
You know how many videos I've seen of people calling someone else to come out and make them up a tie rod or, you know?
All right, well, Adventure Friends, go home.
Make Chase say it. Ow.
Adventure Friends, go home.
So timid.
Such a